Hello guys, today I will tell you about the possible causes for problem that dishes are not clean in dishwasher HISENSE HV. So the possible causes: the spray arms do not rotate, the spray arm holes or bearings blocked, unsuitable dishwashing program, incorrect detergent dosage. Old detergent is a not quite product. The dishes load incorrectly. Glasses and cups have toppled over during the program. The filters are clogged. The filters are not fitted correctly. The drainage pipes stop missing. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.